Hello and welcome to the RANsquawk US morning briefing for today, 3rd of November. Equities in the European morning underperformed after Swiss bank UBS reported earnings that trailed analyst estimates. The bad news for the financials didn't end there either, after the EU Commission said the impact of the crisis was not over and as such foresaw further losses of between 200 and 400 billion euros in the banking sector for 2009 and 2010. As the US opening bell approached, news hit the wires that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway had negotiated a $44 billion purchase, which includes both cash and stock, for Burlington Northern. This led to an immediate shift in sentiment and caused equities to creep higher. Furthermore, equities received another lift after J&J announced that it was to cut between 6 and 7% of its workforce, as well as reaffirming its full-year 2009 EPS forecast. Fixed income was firmer in the morning, and T-notes touched on the highest 118.28.5 after the EU Commission said it foresaw those further losses for the European financial sector. However, since then, bonds have drifted lower as equities look to recoup some of their losses in Europe today. Elsewhere, WTI crude was on a downward trajectory, trading below $78 a barrel as the dollar index strengthened and thus caused euro-dollar and cable both to trade lower as a result. In terms of US economic data, US factory orders came in broadly in line, and the durable goods revisions saw upward amendments to all the constituents apart from non-defence capital goods ex-aircraft. In terms of US equity-specific news, Stanley Works, maker of the world-famous handyman's knife, has cut one of the biggest DIY deals of the time by taking control of Black & Decker in a $4.5 billion deal. And on the broker move front, Apple has been upgraded to outperform Zacks Investment Research, while US semiconductor stocks cut to cautious at Morgan Stanley. So just looking ahead, we will be looking out for the three big US automakers to report their total domestic vehicle sales in the US for October. And further to that, we are expecting the release of the weekly API inventory data after the market closed today.